Now he takes his mask off. Tip for the day. Don't worry about investing in stuff other than like a good mask and an extraction. When you're doing leather and you're grinding it or sanding it, always have an extraction on, always have a mask. When you've finished with it, maybe even come out of the room before you take your mask off. There's some really bad health disaster things I've heard in human bodies with leather dust. Maybe I've not sort of mentioned it before on making videos, but it's always worth extraction and mask. Don't think you're Hercules and think it's only leather, it's only natural. It doesn't do you any good to have leather dust particulates going down your lungs. So top tip for the day, £16. You only get two.